ready to read a book about the planet Earth? Wait, Earth. Oh, that's the planet we live on. Let's go ahead and read this book. It's called Here We Are, Notes for Living on Planet Earth by Oliver Jeffers. Wow. Hello. Welcome to this planet. We call it Earth. It is the big globe floating in space on which we live. Do you know, have you seen a globe before? You guys might remember that globe that Miss Amy brought into our classroom. We're glad you found us, as space is very big. There is much to see and do here on Earth, so let's get started with a quick tour. I don't know if you can see this book, or picture, but it says, here's us. We are 238,855 miles from the moon, from our moon. And then it says, here is Mars, the next planet. And it is actually 140 million miles that way. The planet is basically made up of two parts: land, rock and dirt, and sea, water. Firstly, let's talk about the land. It's what we are standing on right now. We know lots about land. Some is dry, some is flat, some is hot, some is wet, some is bumpy, some is pointy, some is hot, and some is cold. Then there is the sea, which is full of wonderful things. We know a little bit about the sea, but we'll talk some more about that once you've learned to swim. There's also the sky, though that can get pretty complicated. Here's the Milky Way. That's the solar system in which we live. There's other planets. There's stars. There's constellations, which Miss Amy told you guys is kind of like connecting the dots of the stars together. There's the moon, and there's the sun. On our planet, there are people. One people is a person. You are a person. You have a body, lots of parts. Look after it, as most bits don't grow back. The most important things for people to remember are to eat, drink, and stay warm. People come in many shapes, sizes, and colors. We may all look different, act different, and sound different, but don't be fooled. We are all people. There are animals too. They come in even more shapes, sizes, and colors. They can't speak, though that's no reason not to be nice to them. You may not be able to speak yet either, even though your head is filled with lots of questions. Be patient. You'll learn how to use words soon enough. Generally, how it works is that when the sun is out, it is daytime and we do stuff. The rest of the time is night when it is dark. Save for the moon, and we sleep. Please. Slow, little baby. Things can sometimes move slowly here on Earth. More often, though, they move quickly, so use your time well. It will be gone before you know it. Though we have come a long way, we haven't quite worked everything out, so there's plenty left for you to do. You will figure out lots of things for yourself. Just remember to leave notes for everyone else. It looks big, Earth, but there are lots of us on here. In fact, there's 7,327,450. Ooh. Miss Amanda doesn't know how to count. There is 7,327,450,667 and counting people. So be kind. There is enough for everyone. Well, that is planet Earth. Make sure you look after it, as it's all we've got. Now, if you need to know anything else, just ask. I won't be too far away. And when I'm not around, you can always ask someone else.
Maybe we can just be able to.
You're never alone on Earth.
Examine it.
The end.